Hey friends, thanks for watching. Today I'm gonna deep clean the living room. We're gonna steam the couches, vacuum everything, get rid of a lot of the toys in storage because it's not even closing. If you guys see the ottoman, it's got a little crack open. So let's get started. As you can see, Mr. Bob and Sunrise are sleeping on this couch. So I'll start with this couch just because the kitties are sleeping. All right, friends, let's do this. I removed the pillows from the couch and I am vacuuming the couch, and I'm using my Dyson cordless vacuum. I just put a different attachment on it. Ooh, crumbs underneath the couch, let me tell you that. There's even stains over there. So I'm really vacuuming in there, and I'm wearing gloves to get all the little crumbs out. I don't even know what's under the couch, so I'm wearing gloves just to be safe, you know what I mean? So I'm putting the pillows and the couch back together, and the ottoman, I gotta vacuum that because we have 3 cats and we get a lot of cat hair. So gotta thoroughly vacuum everything. And oh my gosh, don't make fun, you guys. This is my first time using the attachment for my vacuum because I usually just straight up use the long attachment and vacuum that way. But I was like, no, let me just use the attachment. Like, that's why we have attachments for the vacuum, right? Sorry, Mr. Bob, my cat ran away. He was just scared of me. So I'm doing the same thing to this couch. This one's the bigger one. So got a vacuum under. I found like a pretend toy fry in there, and then Mr. Bob's collar. We've been looking for that for weeks, you guys. Thank goodness we found it. And now we can put it on him. So I gotta thoroughly vacuum the couch simply because, like I mentioned, lots of cat hair and, you know, lots of dust. And I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the padding, putting it back in its place. And this is actually a garment steamer that I bought on the Zulily site. I know, very strange of me to do this, but I'm using the garment steamer to steam the couch. It took forever because it's not like a giant steamer, so it took a while, but I think it's worth it because steaming sanitizes, freshens up everything. It also removes wrinkles because, you know, that's what the steamer is for. It removes, you know, the wrinkles of clothing and everything. So I just wanted to do that, and honestly Justin said it made a huge difference as far as like smell and also the way the carpet looked like, and also the way that the couch looked like, because I'm using it for the ottoman. I kind of count that as a carpet. I don't know why, because it seems like the type of fabric. I'm using Better Life Whatever to get those stains. I think that's Mr. Bob's stains because he likes to chew on his paw sometimes, and then he starts to bleed. He has a skin condition, something granuloma. He takes medication for it, but every now and then it flares up. So, oh, I also use Better Life Whatever to clean the window area behind the couch. Had to move that, and also mop behind the couch. And then I went and put the couch back, and I found all that crap underneath the couch. And then this ottoman doesn't close, right? So it's time for me to really organize this ottoman, and oh my goodness, you guys, it took me forever, but honestly I really enjoy doing this. It's very therapeutic, and I love it when the kids open up the containers and they find what they need. And Jakey always picks the food container, like the pretend food container, and it's everything that he wants, like his little fake banana, his fake lemon. I went ahead and I vacuumed the inside of the ottoman. And I also wanted to organize those little baskets on the other side of the living room because they also have toys, and they might have the toys that I need to put in those little containers. Those containers I bought at Container Store, and I like them. I really do enjoy them. They were only like $1 something. And so many of you mentioned that Dollar Tree has something similar. I was at the Container Store, so that's the only reason why I bought it there instead of Dollar Tree. But if I was, by a Dollar Tree, I'd do the same. But honestly, Container Store has so many, you know what I mean? Like if you need like 20, they'll have 20. Dollar Store, sometimes they won't have 20 that you'll need of the same container. So here I'm throwing away some of these cards or like random toys that the kids haven't played with in forever. And I'm putting books in there. And I'm all done with the steamer. The steamer was fantastic. So I'm trying to just, you know, organize everything and wrap the cords. Took me a while. Put the toy baskets away. I'm using the Caldrea Tangelo Palm Frond. Hopefully I said it correctly. This is a multi-surface spray. It smells amazing, and so I'm going to use that to wipe everything down. And now I grabbed the larger vacuum and I went ahead and vacuumed the rug. This is the larger vacuum insert, you know, like the regular one versus the shorter one. I love that ottoman. It just rolls. By the way, I'm cleaning the living room, like really deep cleaning, because I want to decorate it for Christmas. And I use the same Tangelo Palm Frond, the room spray. It made the room smell so good. And now I'm mopping with my mop slippers, my Method Squirt and Mop, and my good old washable mop. And a lot of you guys mentioned I should buy multiple of those mop heads, and I totally should. I'm gonna go check it out on Amazon. And here I am using the whatever spray to clean the piano. Charlie. Sorry, Charlie, I scared him. I'm just cleaning the bottom right over there. I'm using the Method Glass Surface Cleaner. I bought that on the Grove Collaborative site. By the way, I'm not working with Grove Collaborative. I've only worked with them once ever in my life, but I get a lot of my cleaning supplies on Grove Collaborative, and I have an invite link if you guys want to check it out. You can get like $20 worth of cleaning supplies if you use my invite link if you're a first-time customer. So I'll link that down below. No pressure, that is an invite link, so I will get credit to shop the site, but it is not sponsored or anything. So here Justin is changing the filter because that's very important. Yuck. And I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to clean that filter, vacuuming it and then spraying it down, wiping it down. It was just looking dusty, like beyond dusty. And then I'm wiping this down. I'm done, you guys. I had so much fun cleaning with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I was watching more Gossip Girl. I've been watching, like, it's gonna take me forever to finish that series, but I was on my phone watching as I was like organizing everything. But I feel good. I got rid of some of the toys. The ottoman can now close, which was like a struggle for me. It just kept getting on my nerves that it wouldn't close. It can close completely. Everything smells so fresh and so clean. I love it. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoy my clean with me videos, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I will put a playlist of my cleaning videos in the information box down below. And the next clean with me videos will probably have Christmas decor. I haven't put them out quite yet, but I'm gonna very soon. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.